Good afternoon, guys. As a partner, wife, girlfriend. Now I'm boiling water for the macaroni salad, rainbow salad macaroni that I'm going to make today. That's my husband's request. He said, "Can you make us a macaroni salad, my love?" So, of course, as a good wife, make him, I'm gonna cook for him pasta and macaroni. I use the rainbow salad macaroni. So that's it, making macaroni. Alright, we'll have to wait till it's tender. Our rainbow salad macaroni have yes. Oh, look at that. That's a rainbow. They call it rainbow macaroni salad. Different color. It's like a rainbow. And then we have condensed. We're using condensed for macaroni salad. Kernel corns. And of course, we're going to use mayonnaise. And then evaporada. And then fruit cocktails, and then I'm going to add Eden cheese for salad macaroni rainbow salad macaroni. I call it my salad macaroni because it's rainbow. Look at the pasta, it's rainbow color, right? Oh, see, so that's why they call it rainbow salad macaroni. So we're going to have the rainbow salad macaroni today. Panghimagas or some also like dinner. You could be eating like dinner too. So that's it. Waiting to cook for rainbow. Let's get the ingredients. I'm gonna buy Eden cheese because I am out of stock on my food storage. Huh? Chicken is in the table.
Come here, chicken.
I thought you're feeding them already. You're feeding still? Dog? Ay, 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 ay. I will have here the cheese anyway, the mozzarella cheese. I don't know if it's good too. I will ask my sweetheart. Honey, what do you think of adding the mozzarella cheese on the macaroni salad? Is it good? What do you think about the mozzarella cheese to add in a macaroni salad? Is it good or using the Eden cheese?
Eden cheese.
Eden cheese, then that's what I forgot to buy. I'm gonna go to the store, the old lady there, get the Eden cheese. Okay? Excuse me. You eating the chicken or the dog eat? Who's eating? Both. You eat and you feeding them?
Both.
Oh, that's okay. You're a very good man. You're a good man. He's busy feeding the two dogs. That's his love of. I'm your love of is your life. Your dog is love of your life too. But I'm the first one. Honey? Chicken. I'm just asking the question of my husband if he could give me help about if it's okay to add the mozzarella. I said no, better use Eden cheese. He agreed. Cold. Checking my pasta. There.